Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink Video Doorbell, quick guide step by step clearly. To set up your Blink Video Doorbell, begin by unpacking the device. Ensure you have the Blink app downloaded on your mobile device. Open the Blink app and log in or create a new account if you haven't already. Tap on that Add Device button in the app. Select Blink Video Doorbell from the list of devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to insert the included battery into the doorbell. Once the battery is installed, press the button on the doorbell to power it on. Wait for the doorbell to flash a blue light, indicating it's in setup mode. On your mobile device, ensure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. The app will prompt you to connect to your doorbell's network. Select the doorbell network that appears in your Wi-Fi settings. Next, choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list provided. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted in the app. Once connected, the doorbell will flash a solid green light. This indicates that your Blink Video Doorbell is now set up successfully. You can now adjust settings such as motion alerts and video quality in the app. Place the doorbell in your preferred location and secure it using the provided screws. Finally, test the doorbell by pressing the button to ensure it's working correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.